In this video, I'm going to show you a quick, challenging, high-intensity workout that you can get at home with modifications for beginners. I'm going to be doing the simpler version of the exercise, while Kai in Pink is going to be doing the more challenging version of the exercise. I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? On the left side of the screen are in and outs. Spring off the balls of your feet as you jump in and out. On the right are drop squats. To squat, hinge your hips back as if you're sitting in a chair. These movements will strengthen your buns and thighs while getting your heart rate up. During your rest period, I recommend shifting your feet from side to side so you don't get stiff. Up next, we are moving sideways. On the left side of the screen are toe touches. Push off the outer part of your foot to move laterally. On the right side of the screen are speed skaters. Stay light on your feet as you absorb the landing. These lateral moves strengthen your inner thighs and outer glutes while training knee alignment during athletic activities, so keep your toes facing forward throughout. Keep moving your legs so you don't get stiff. Moving on to staggered stance position. On the left side of the screen is alternating reverse lunges. Step with most of your weight in your front heel and your knee over your ankle. On the right side of the screen, we have split jumps. Squeeze your glutes as you jump. These exercises build power in your lower body and translate well to walking, running, or sprinting uphill.